Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I did this. So I'm just going to move this over here because sometimes there's some text in the middle of the screen, so I'm using a free capture software. So it says error while opening computer, do you want to fix it? And literally you just keep clicking yes until it pops up with something different, and eventually it pops up with unable to fix error, it's uploading data, and it says I've been hacked, and I put sorry dad because I was playing this as a prank on my father. Now, I have 4 copies here because it was trial and error, but I'm going to create a new one and show you how to do it. So if we click edit, here is all the script that I used, and I'm going to put one of these in the, not the actual notepad, I'm going to put the text in the description down below. So if you want to try this, go ahead. This isn't, you can script to say whatever you want, so you could say you've got a virus, you could say you've been hacked, you could say there's a keylogger, could say it's having issues connecting to the internet, you could say anything, like literally anything. So I'm just going to copy and paste this this first line of text here, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open a notepad. So I'm going to open one of those right now. So once you've opened up your notepad, again we're going to enter that line. Now this opens up the message box. This is what the text was saying. This is the title here. So for example, if I wanted it to say, let's say we're going to play this prank on Dead Velo, and I put you are being hacked. Do you want us to stop? And then we're going to change this to 1 and 16 because that is the more, I believe, it's the more kind of alarming one. 1 plus 16, and we're going to change this to alert, all in caps, with about 1 million exclamation marks. So we've got all this. Now, again, you can change this to say whatever you want, and we are going to file, save as. I'm going to save this in my folder, which I have called new shit, because I have so much stuff on this computer, it is confusing. Now you want to call this originally computer, and then just leave it at that. But because I have about 4 of these, I'm going to call this one computer 5 and then 6, which is why my last one was 4 and 3. This one's 5 and 6. It's just how I'm saving it. And you're going to put VBS, and then click save. Now sometimes it will pop up on here, but as you can see, mine hasn't. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into our documents, and not into my downloads. We're going to go onto here, and as you can see, we have computer 5 and 6, and then we're going to right click, send to desktop, and then as you can see it pops up here. Now you can go into the properties, and if you wanted to, you could it runs in a normal window or all of those, and you can change the icon. So just to make it more realistic, before you set this up on the computer, you can do this, and then OK, and now it actually looks like it's their computer screen. So if I actually put on my actual computer, because I don't think I have that on here actually. I didn't mean to bring up personalize. Go away. I've forgotten how to do it. Is it new shortcut? I don't have a location. Yeah, just that. Alright, so yeah, and then we'll bring up our F reserve, and then you could change it to that as well, so they might think it was their F reserve. So that'll be a better example actually. So just let me go into properties, change icon, and somewhere in here there is one of those F reserve things which I've just been on. It's literally right underneath that computer. Again, it does look a bit weird, but at first glance, they're not going to notice that that's not it. They're going to double click that, and it's going to say, hello Dead Velo, you're being hacked, do you want us to stop? And then they're going to click OK. Now if we open up that notepad, so just let me close down all the others, because I've got loads of them open. And then, what we're going to do is I'm actually going to, and I know this has nothing to do with that first line of text, but I just want to show you guys, that if we then save this again, and we load up the same folder, it's going to do this. And you can do this for as long as you want, and then, again, let's just change it. So let's get rid of all of these, and we'll have like 4 of those. And then we'll have one that says prank. And then here we'll just have ends here, goodbye. And it's deleted the rest of the thing. Brilliant. And then we'll have 1 plus 16. And then bye. There we go. And then if we save that, that should work. So save. Let's minimize this. Load this up. Let's see, ends here, goodbye. And then you click OK, and it just closes down the program. And it's literally as simple as that, guys. I'm going to put this one, this bit of text here. I'm going to put just that one line, so I'm just going to copy that now. I'm going to put just this one line in the description, put it in a notepad, but remember to save as a VBS. So actually what I'm going to do, is I'm going to add a little reminder, remember to save as a VBS, and then send to desktop. So I did show that in the video, but just in case you missed it, I'm just going to pop that there. Let's that. Copy and paste this. So guys, it is really as simple as that. It was just something that I found really neat, and I just wanted to show you guys. So, no, we're not going to save that. I'm actually going to delete all these. I'll leave my system reserved now, actually. So we just delete all of these. And I'm only going to delete the shortcuts, just because I only need my one on there, really. It's down here, again, I'm just going to click this. And you've got all this stuff on here. And I've got about 10 different accounts on this one computer. So I've got a folder down there that says accounts, which has all of everything in. Just I've only mentioned that because, you know, it looks a bit shady. I should have a folder that says accounts is because I've got like 4 or 5 different accounts on this computer, and that because this is the admin account. So down there it has all of the logins for the rest of the accounts that are on this computer. But yeah, so that's all I really had to show you guys today. This was captured with Screenomatic. I'm not sponsored by them. I just found it, and I just thought it was a neat little thing. You can get a basic version, and you can pay for an upgraded version. And that's all I have time for today, guys. So if you guys enjoyed, please like, subscribe, go like and subscribe to the video as well. I'll see you guys in the next video.